Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. If you're new here, try subscribing because we'll be talking about how to make money online all the day in this channel. So if you are really interested in that, try subscribing. And today in this video, we'll be talking about zoombucks, which is a money making website by doing surveys, polls and tasks. So I have done a heap of videos on these type of websites where you will be getting paid for doing simple tasks. So this website is very similar to those like GRABPOINTS, SWAGBUCKS and all, and I feel the interface is really similar to GRABPOINTS, where this one is green and that one is red. I'll start by signing up with my Google account, and if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And as you can see, the interface is really similar to the GRABPOINTS one because that is red in color and this is green. That is what the difference I can actually see. Everything is similar, everything, even the ad, everything is very similar to GRABPOINTS. And if you haven't checked the GRABPOINTS video yet, it will be on the cards above or in the description box below. And here you can actually earn money by attending surveys, watching videos and doing simple tasks. But I have to tell you guys in beforehand itself that watching videos is not yet available in India, so you cannot earn money by watching videos if you are an Indian watching this video. So yeah, so see, this is not available in our country. I think it's Hideout TV, the same one as GRABPOINTS. So this is really similar to GRABPOINTS one. And OfferFalls is a place where you can actually earn money by if you are going to purchase something like you are going to purchase a domain from GoDaddy, you will be getting few discounts and offers and or even zoombucks points. And we'll be doing now surveys. We'll just check with that one. And this one is where you will be getting rewards when you have reached certain amount of threshold with your points, like around 1000 points is equal to $1, which is very similar to GRABPOINTS. So once you have attained around $5000, you will be getting $5 PayPal reward. I would suggest you guys to get actually PayPal cash because it is better than getting any other offers as far as I know. But if you are okay, you can actually get with Flipkart, Amazon or even Roblox gift cards. But you need certain amount of coins threshold in order to get it. Now I have 0 points, but we'll just check with the surveys and other ones to whether we can actually earn money or not. Now I'm going to try this one which is around 1000 points. For completing the survey, I'll be getting it. And this is very similar with the other websites where you will be getting points for completing or giving your basic details. Personal information is really important and you have to be correct. And as you can see, I have earned that offer, but it didn't give me 1000 points, but I have earned around 54 by the end of this survey. It took me around 1 hour to get this one. I think it's pretty slow, but then this is legit. You can actually earn few bucks. And that's all for the video, guys. This is actually legit and you can really earn money, but it takes a lot of time. You cannot replace your 9 to 5 job for this website. And as far as I know, there is no country restriction. You can try from wherever you are. And if you have any doubts, comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible and meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.